Hey, Kevin, how's it going?
Going all right. Nice progress on the house. That third floor, I think, is going to be sweet.
I know, it's looking good, right?
Yeah. And I promised new windows up there as well, so that's what you're working on. How did we get started, other than rough framing these openings to size?
So we actually roughed them out a little bit big so we could put a cedar clapboard in there just to provide some pitch so that water can run out of the opening.
Gotcha. So the framing is level, the clap actually gives it a little pitch right there, then you tape it down in place so it's nice and watertight.
Exactly, and I'm just adding a couple shims here to support the window but also maintain some air space so if water gets in there it can get out.
Gotcha. So the windows that we have, which are wood, as you say, had to do it on the front, I guess. Anything could be seen by the street, they wanted wood, and the homeowners just said, let's do the whole house in wood.
Exactly, make it easier for continuity.
Okay, so some challenges for you working with all wood windows?
Well, the first thing you may notice is that there's no nailing fin here. Typically applied to the face or the side of a window, you would have a flange or a nailing fin, and that registers off of sheathing, right. And then it allows you to run a piece of tape from that fin to the face of the sheathing, but we don't have that here. So to solve the fastening issue, we're going to shim around the window and screw through the jamb.
Gotcha.
And to solve the air infiltration and water infiltration, we're going to use a piece of tape that's built for purpose. So this is meant for windows without flanges, and basically it has a crease in it, so it's already released.
Oh yeah.
So this is going to be applied to the outside of the jamb, and that'll take the place of that fin that's not here.
Looks like a top piece, side piece right here, which I'll give you a hand with.
All right, I'm going to start at the top here. I'm going to hold it down about 5/8 of an inch. This is pressure activated tape, so I'm going to sort of use this squeegee type tool to just push it into that freshly painted jamb, and that's going to stick tenaciously really well to that surface.
So last piece of tape meaning nothing along the bottom?
Exactly. We want to let water escape from there, so we're not going to tape the bottom.
This ready to go in?
It is. Let's pick it up and pop it in the opening. You can see I put those blocks on the outside already, so we can just push it right into those blocks. All right, so now that we got the window in, we know that we should have about 3/8 of space on each side, and we do, so now we're good to start shimming the window. So let's just put a couple shims up here. I'll tap this in and use that laser as a reference. Let's check it for square by measuring across. 76 1/8 heavy, so we are good for square. We can start screwing this window in. Next thing, I'm just gonna buzz off some of these shims. All right, so I'm gonna peel back this one that we previously left covered. There we go. Put that there, lift it up, get that nice and tight, and then we can spread that out.
But out here, when this tape is stuck, we can put our siding material right over this.
Exactly.
Bottom sash operates just as nicely as the top. I like it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.